Today's video is going to show you 4 practice problems for solving negative exponents to see if you've mastered the concept. If you remember, when we solve for negative exponents, we follow 3 steps. Those 3 steps are: rewrite your number into its reciprocal, flip it, change the exponent from negative to positive, and solve as you would a positive exponent. Here are the 4 problems. Try them for yourself, pause the video, and then unpause when you're ready to see if your answers match mine. Example 1. What is 5 to the negative third power? First step, write 5 as its reciprocal, which is 1 over 5. We bring that exponent with us down. We turn it from negative to positive. Then we carry it out as a normal exponent. 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. So the final answer is 1 over 125. Example 2. Solve 2 to the negative fourth power. We start out turning 2 into its reciprocal of 1 over 2. We bring down the exponent of 4 and change it from negative to positive. Then we solve for 1 over 2 to the fourth power, which is 1 over 16. Example 3. Solve 10 to the negative 2 power. 10 becomes 1 over 10, and the negative 2 becomes positive 2. We know that 10 squared equals 100, so the answer is 1 over 100. Last example. Solve 3 to the negative fifth power. The number 3 turns into 1/3. We bring down the 5 in our exponent index, change it from negative to positive, and solve as normal. The answer is 1 over 243. Hopefully you have a better understanding as to how to work through problems that have negative exponents. Give me a thumbs up if you got them all right. For more free math help videos, subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on TikTok at ImproveMath1, or if you want some more practice problems, head over to improvemath.com and check out my free worksheets and answers. Thanks for watching.